Welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Joel Migovsky, and in today's video, we're going to talk about a fundamental topic for the health of the modern man, low testosterone. Have you ever felt constant fatigue, a drop in libido, difficulty gaining muscle mass, or even mood changes without any apparent reason? These could be signs that your testosterone is below the ideal level, and that's what we're going to talk about here. Before we get started, let me know in the comments which city or country you're watching this video from. Also, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and leave your like, because here we talk seriously about men's health based on science and medical practice. First, what is testosterone and why does it matter? Testosterone is the main male hormone. It is produced in the testicles and acts throughout the entire body. It is responsible for several essential functions: development of muscle mass, growth of body hair, sexual desire, and quality of erections, sperm production, energy, vitality, and even mood and mental clarity. In other words, testosterone is a pillar of men's health, and when it starts to drop, the signs can appear subtly but have a major impact. Second, symptoms that may indicate low testosterone. Many men live with testosterone deficiency without even knowing it. This happens because the symptoms are mistaken for stress, aging, or a demanding routine. But it's important to stay alert. Here are some common signs: decreased sex drive, persistent fatigue even after a good night's sleep, loss of muscle mass and strength, gain of abdominal fat, irritability, lack of motivation, or even symptoms of depression, difficulty concentrating, problems with erection quality and sleep. If you identify with 2 or more of these symptoms, it might be time to investigate. 3. Why does testosterone decrease? Some factors are natural, such as aging. Starting at age 30, testosterone levels tend to drop by about 1% per year. But what is concerning the medical community today is the number of young men around 25 or 30 years old showing clear signs of hormonal decline. And why is that? Mainly because of the modern lifestyle. Poor sleep, a diet lacking in nutrients, excessive alcohol consumption, physical inactivity, chronic stress, and exposure to substances that mimic estrogen, such as bisphenol A, found in many plastics. All of these directly interferes with the natural production of testosterone by the testicles. 4. What can you do to naturally increase testosterone? The good news is that, in most cases, testosterone can be restored without the need for medication, simply by changing your habits. Here are the key pillars you need to adjust. Sleep. Poor sleep reduces testosterone production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality, regular sleep each night. Diet. Include healthy fats in your diet, such as eggs, olive oil, nuts, and avocado. Reduce sugar, ultra-processed foods, and excessive alcohol consumption. Physical exercise. Weight training is a powerful ally. Training with weights 3 to 5 times a week naturally stimulates hormone production. Stress management, meditation, deep breathing, reading, walking. Any practice that helps you reduce your mental load will benefit your hormonal balance. Sun exposure. Vitamin D is essential for acting on testosterone production. Get sunlight for 15 to 20 minutes every day, preferably without sunscreen during this short period. And of course, avoid anabolic steroids without a doctor's prescription. Indiscriminate use can lead to infertility, testicular atrophy, and dependence. 5. When should you see a doctor? If you have already changed your habits and still have symptoms, see a doctor. A routine blood test can assess your levels of total testosterone, free testosterone, LH, FSH, prolactin, and estradiol. With this information, it will be possible to determine whether testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, is necessary, which should always be carried out with continuous and individualized monitoring. Hormone replacement should only be done in well-indicated cases and under professional supervision. Never use hormones on your own. Frequently asked questions about the topic. 1. Does taking testosterone make men aggressive? When prescribed and monitored by a doctor, testosterone tends to improve mood, not the opposite. Excessive aggressiveness is more related to emotional imbalances than to the hormone itself. 2. Does masturbation affect testosterone? Not in any significant way. Unless it becomes compulsive and affects your mental health, it does not alter hormone levels in a concerning way. 3. Do supplements like tribulus and maca work? They may have a mild supporting effect, but they only work well when your lifestyle is already in order. No supplement solves the problem on its own. 4. Can low testosterone affect fertility? Yes, the production of sperm depends on a healthy hormonal environment. Very low testosterone can make fatherhood more difficult. 5. I'm under 30 and experiencing all of this. Is that normal? No. It may be becoming common, but it is not normal. Seek medical evaluation as soon as possible. Now that you understand the impact of low testosterone on your health and how you can take action, I want to leave you with an important suggestion. If you want to go further and take care not only of your hormones, but of your overall health, I strongly recommend that you read my book, Longevity Code: 101 Habits to Live Past 101 Years. This book is a practical guide for you to transform your health based on science and on the habits of people who live longer and better. There, I share what truly works to maintain energy, vitality, prevent diseases, and build a future with quality of life. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs this information. And don't forget, leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to keep receiving reliable, direct, and useful content about men's health. See you in the next video.
Please.